Hello kids, good morning to all of you. How are you children? I am fine. I hope you all are fine and safe. Dear children, again welcome back to you in our English class. Today what class we have? We have English class and I welcoming you in our English class. Dear children, in our previous class we have learned about this and that. What we learn is children? We learn about this and that. In our previous chapter we learn about this and that. So dear, this and that used to show a single person, place, animal or a thing. What we learn in that chapter? We learn this and that used to show a single person, place, animals or a things. But today we are going to learn these and those. Today we are going to learn these and those. In this chapter, we will learn where we will use these and where we will use those. Dear children, these and those are used to show many persons, places, animals or things. These and those are used to show many persons, places, animals or things. So my dear children, open your English book. Open page number 49. Sorry, 41. Take out your English book and open page number 41, chapter number 13, and the chapter name is Use of These and Those. Here again, listen carefully children. This is used for things which are near. THESE, these is used for things which are near. Dear children, these we use for the things which are near to us, and those, THOSE, those is used for things which are far away. The things which are far away from us, there we will use those. These is used for things which are near to us. Those is used for the things which are far away from us. Say, these are lamps. Those are bulbs. See, these are lamps. Those are bulbs. THESE, these, ARARLAMPS, lamps. These are lamps. See how many lamps? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than one lamps are here. So here these are lamps because these lamps are near. These lamps are near. THOSE, those, ARARBULBS, bulbs. Those are bulbs. See, the bulbs are far away. So here those are bulbs and these lamps are near. So these are lamps. All the things are more than one. Many things are here, more than one things are here. So we will use these. Plural form, we will use this. Now see, these are fruits. See, these fruits are near. So these are fruits. THESE, these, ARERFRUITS, fruits. These are fruits. Those are nuts. See, these nuts are far away. So THOSE, those, ARER, and NUTS, nuts. Those are nuts. Again, THESE, these, ARER, FRUITS, fruits. These are fruits. THOSE, those, ARER, and NUTS, nuts. Those are nuts. See, nuts are far away, so those are nuts. Now see, these are taps. What are these? These are taps. 4 taps. For a single tap, we can say tap, but here more than one tap is here, then we will say taps. So here 4 taps are here. These are taps. THESE, these are TAPS, taps. These are taps. Now see, what are these? What are these, children? See, these buckets are far away, so those are buckets. THOSE, those, ARER, BUCKETS, buckets. Because the buckets are far away, those are buckets. THOSE, those, ARER, BUCKETS, buckets. Those are buckets. See, these are whistle. These are whistle. Here, more than one whistle is here. Then we have to say these are whistle. Here we will use this because this is near. THESE, these, ARER, whistle. WHISTLES, whistles. These are whistles. See these bells, children? The bells are far away. THOSE, those, ARER, BELLS, bells. Those are bells. In this chapter, what we learn, children? The things. If the things more than one and near to us, then we will use these. If the things are far away and the things are more than one, then we will use those. Now again, read this chapter. THESE, these, ARER, LAMPS, lamps. These are lamps. THOSE, those, ARER, BULBS, bulbs. Those are bulbs. THESE, these, ARER, FRUITS, fruits. These are fruits. THOSE, those, ARER, NUTS, nuts. Those are nuts. These are taps. THESE, these, ARER, TAPS, taps. These are taps. THOSE, those, ARER, BUCKETS, buckets. Those are buckets. These are whistle. THESE, these, ARER, WHISTLES, whistle. These are whistles. Those are bells. THOSE, those, ARER, BELLS, LLS, bells. Those are bells. Clear, children? Dear children, see one worksheet I have prepared for you. These and those. Here we have to put these and those. Okay, we have to check whether the pictures are near or far. Then we have to write these and those. See, what are these pictures, children? Yes, these are balloons. What is this picture? These are balloons. And these are kites. These are chocolates. These are cupcakes. These are lamps. And these are fruits. So we have to write these and those. Okay. See, number 1, dash are balloons. Dash are balloons. See, children, are the balloons are near or far? These balloons are near or far? Yes, these balloons are far away from us. So, what we will write here? If the things or place or animals are far away from us, then we will write those. Here, so many balloons are there, more than one balloons are there, and the balloons are far away from us. So, here we will write those. What we will write here? Those. THOOS. Those. Those are balloons because the balloons are far away. Those are balloons. See, number 2, ducks are kites. These kites are near or far? Are the kites are near to us or far from us, children? Yes, these kites are near to us. So, what we will write here? These. THEAC. This. THEASE. These are kites. These are kites. Now see the next question. Number 3. Ducks are chocolates. Ducks are chocolates. Here chocolates are there and the chocolates are far away from us. Yes or no? The chocolates are far away. So what we will write here? Those are chocolates because the number of chocolate is more than 1 and the chocolates are far away from us. So we have to write here those. THOOSE. Those are chocolates. Clear, children? Now see, what is this picture? These are cupcakes. These are cupcakes. See, the cakes are near to us or far away from us? Are the cake near or far? Yes, these cups are near to us. So, here we will write these because these are near to us. These, THESE, these. These are cupcakes. These are cupcakes. Now see the next picture. What is this, children? Yes, these are picture of lamps. And the lamps are far away from us. So here we will write those. THOOSE. Those. THOSE. Those are lamps. See, the lamps are far away. Those are lamps. Now see, Next question. Dates are fruits. These are fruits, yes or no, children? Yes, these are fruits. And the fruits are near to us. The fruits are near to us. If the things are near, then what we will write? Yes, we have to write these. These are fruit. T H E S E. These are fruits. These are fruits. Okay, children. Let's again see. Those are balloons. Those are balloons. These are kites. Those are chocolates. Those are chocolates. These are cupcakes. Those are lamps. The lamps are far. Those are lamps. These are fruits. These are fruits because the fruits are near. So these are fruits. Dear children, from this chapter what we have learned? What we have learned today, children? This is used for the things which are near. THESCT is used for the things which are near. Here some places, some animals, some person. If the things or person also and place animals are near to us, then we will use this. THOSC, those is used for the things which are far away from us. Now open page number 42. Page number 42. See, what are these? Here what we have to write? Answer the following. Here we have to write the answer. What are these? What are these, children? These are boys. These are boys. 3 boys are here. So these are boys. So number 2. What are those? What are those? See, what is the picture? Is it frogs? Are the frogs are near or far, children? Yes, the frogs are far away. So here we will write those are frogs. What are those? Those are frogs. T H O S E, those. A R E R, frogs. F R O C K S, frogs. Those are frogs. What are those? Those are frogs. Now see, what are these? What are these, children? Yes, these are rats. What are these? These are rats. The rats are near or far away? Yes, the rats are near. So here we will write these. T H E S E, these are rats. R A T S, rats. These are rats. Now see, what are those? These are vans. The vans are near or far away, children? Yes, the vans are far away. So here we will write those. Those are vans. T H O S E, those. A R E R, vans. V A N S, vans. Those are vans. Clear, children? If the things or persons or animals are near to us and the numbers are more than one, then we have to write this. If the person or things or animals are far away from us and the numbers are more than one, then we have to write those. Now see, color the picture and fill in the blanks with these or those. Here, this is homework for you. Color this picture. We have to color this picture and we have to write these or those here. See, what are these? These are pineapples, and these pineapples are close to this boy. So here what will be the answer? The answer will be these. And see, these are hats. Those are hats because these hats are far away from this girl. So the answer will be here those. See, the pens. These are pens. Some pens are here on the table and the boy is standing here and these pens are close to this boy. So here what will be the answer? These are pens. So here you have to color it and you have to write these and those. Okay, children? Dear children, always remember, if the person is near and the number is singular in number, then we will write this. If the person or things are near to us and the number is single, it is singular form, then we have to write THIS, this. And if the person or things or animals are far away and in singular, then we have to write that THAT, that. But if the person or things are near to us and more than one, plural, more than one, then we will write these. These. And if the persons are far away from us, if the animals or things are far away from us and the number is more than one, then we will write those. Those. Dear children, what we have learned? Today we learn use of these and those. So dear children, read this chapter and write in your English copy. Write all this sentence in your English copy in proper line. Your handwriting should be neat and clean in your copy. Okay. Write all these lines what are here in this chapter. Write all this in your English copy and do this exercise in your book. Here I have written the answer. This part you have to write in your book, and this is homework for you. Color this picture and fill up these blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Use these and those. Where you have to use these and where we have to use those, that you have to write here. So this page is homework for you, and write all this sentence what are here. Write page number 41 in your English copy and do this exercise in your book. So children, I hope you understand use of these and those. So children, study well and take care of yourself.